Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the transformer's ratings and that it matches your source and load. Once you've confirmed ratings, isolate power and engage lockout-tagout, then verify 0 volts with a multimeter. Prepare tools and PPE so you won't interrupt the job. This prevents backtracking. Next, identify primary and secondary terminals on the nameplate and wiring diagram, because correct terminal identification is the foundation for safe wiring and correct step up or down behavior. Now wire the transformer according to the diagram. Choose tap, winding configuration, and phase connections. This controls voltage ratio and capacity. Make primary connections first, route conductors neatly, and tighten to the torque specified to prevent heating. Once primaries are secure, connect secondaries, paying attention to neutral and grounding requirements because improper ground or neutral can create dangerous voltages. Finally, install surge protection and fusing to protect equipment and ensure safe operation under transient conditions. Before energizing, perform insulation and continuity tests and confirm polarity to avoid reverse phasing. Once done, energize with no load and slowly apply load while monitoring input and output voltages, current, and temperature. Listen for unusual noise because that indicates internal issues. If readings deviate, de-energize and recheck all connections, tap position, and phasing. If overheating or arcing persists, replace the transformer or consult a licensed technician. One troubleshooting tip: inconsistent voltages usually mean wrong tap or loose terminal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.